Hello everyone, in this video we will guide you how you can create a direct invoice on TranZact. To create a direct invoice, you need to go in transaction module. On your left hand side, you will see transaction module option. Please click on this. Now, once you come in transaction module, on your right hand side, very top corner, you will see an option of create document. Please click on this. Here is the list of all the documents which you can create on invoice. So for sales, we do have order confirmation and invoice. So suppose if there is any transaction which required multiple documents like advance document or PI or a delivery challan, you can go ahead with the order confirmation. But sometimes there are few transactions which are only invoice transaction. Like suppose someone came to us and then after just purchase it and we are sending an invoice. So in that case, you can simply select invoice option and can create a direct invoice. It will ask you to select a buyer company name. Let me select it. Now, on your left hand side, these are all the primary details like buyer detail, delivery location, supplier details. This all come from your settings module and buyer supplier module. You can very well go ahead and click on this pencil icon and can add any new billing location detail or edit existing billing location detail in the same. You can make the same in supplier as well. On right hand side, there is the primary document detail where I need to assign a title. So this particular is needle invoice, needle valve invoice. So document number, as my document number is on auto, so it is coming from my settings module, and you can very well go ahead and make any customization in this by this customize option. I will put payment date. So today is the payment date. So I will put 29th. Now from which store it will be exited. So from which store it will get dispatched after creating the invoice. Now I need to select an item. So what I will do, I will just select the needle valve and I will select a quantity of 2. The price and remaining details are auto-fetched from my inventory module. Here is one of the dimension custom field which I have added. So I will quickly add a data in this. Now, please check. These are also size and weight, two of the custom field which I have created, but these are not mandatory. So I will leave it as it is. Going below, I can add multiple items in it by clicking on this add item. I can add extra charge in this by clicking on this extra charge. If I don't want to add any extra charge, I can simply click on this and it will get hidden. Now, signature and email recipient option is there. Now, please check. On your right hand side, you will see that entire detail of the taxation comes here. You can very well go ahead and add a non-taxable extra charge or any another details or TCS. You can also activate it. Now, suppose this invoice is finalized. So what I will do, I will either click on save draft or save and send. In case of any edit need to be made, I will use the save draft. If that is finalized, I will click on save and send, and accordingly it will get saved and sent. So this is how your direct invoice is created. You can share it over WhatsApp as well. You can go ahead and just fill other details like your barcode number. You can put the dispatch detail as well. You can set up a reminder as well. I hope this particular video will be helpful to you while creating a direct invoice. Have a good day ahead.